Hi guys, welcome back from Paolo High Ride Garage here. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to take a look at all the free giveaways that you guys get the chance to win, as long as you subscribe, like, comment and share. So as a Ducati fan, I could not miss in a million years to have the one and only MotoGP World Title winner helmet from Casey Stoner 2007. So this is hand signed, originally signed. I've got a certificate, and it's still in very much great condition. I believe that the guy who actually got it signed, he immediately misused, so he just put it on sales, and I managed to get it for a fair normal price a few years back. So this is certainly one of the highlight of my collection, with the hand signature of Casey Stoner. And here you can see, of course, the machine, the Desmosedici from 2007, with which he was basically unbeatable. Some say he was unbeatable because of electronics. Not true. If you read through his biography, but also some other testimonials, you will realize that actually he didn't use that much electronics. He actually hated it because it would not let him feel exactly what the motorbike was doing. So I believe that he is an absolutely hero and legend. And some others say is because of the tires, because he had such performing Bridgestone tires. Well, nevertheless, he was the fastest. He won. He was actually unbeatable also when he went to Honda. So hands down, Casey Stoner, what a hero. I do hope that you guys enjoyed all the memorabilia that we went through today. For me it was great, although a bit too quick, so we're gonna do more videos showing in details all these memorabilia, and we're gonna talk through the story behind them. We're gonna talk through the story of the riders. So guys, like, subscribe, comments and share. You get a chance to see this. I would love to hear from you. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Happy riding.